Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to set intervals on Map My Run application. So first make sure that you have this application or the Map My Run application. After going to the App Store, you go to the search menu and then in the search bar you will just type Map My Run. And here you will find the application and just click on it and open or download it in case you didn't have it. Then you will create an account after opening your application. They will require you to log in if you have already an existing account or just sign up and create a new one. So now I'm going to enter the application, and here this is the dashboard or the main menu. The application always open in this page here. So to set intervals, I need to go to the setup of the workup setup. You can choose activities, and here display the lock so it won't turn off your phone while you are running, so you can uh, check or track your pace, because there isn't a direct method to set up the intervals, but you can track your pace and your speed. As you can see, now you are seeing the pace of because now I'm just sitting. So the pace, as you can see it, this is my pace here, and this is my speed. So this is how you can set up intervals by just tracking the pace and increasing it or decreasing it by just running at your max speed and slowing down, or even just start walking, and you can set your own intervals with the Map My Run. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.